It's your little bit of luxury. So if you want to see what's in the Curateur box for, I think this is fall. I think this is their fall box. It's probably my last fall box that I've been waiting on. If you want to see what's in there, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this used to be the Rachel Zoe Box of Style. It is more of a luxury subscription. Their prices have gone up considerably. I did lock in this year and next year for the previous price. After that, I will probably cancel because it has gone up so significantly. This is a seasonal subscription. I just did a makeup collab, so don't mind the bold look. Sometimes I go back and edit and go, oh, you probably should have washed your face off. But I got a lot going on tonight, so kind of want to just knock this one out. So I paid $3.50 for the year. Again, it's seasonal, so that's 4 boxes. But then they gave me a $50 credit to use in their shop. So I ended up paying $300 for the 4 boxes, which I thought was a pretty good deal for what you're getting in here. So I don't know that there were choices. Maybe there were. It looks like there was probably a jewelry choice. Oh, and a bag color choice. Okay, I might have seen that. I might have picked out my choices. Would have been a while ago. And this is the fall curation. I'm going to start with this. This is a scarf. This is by Miss Maya, and it's the Rhapsody scarf. It's not super big. I mean, you could definitely, you know, wear it around your neck if you were so inclined. Probably not with a baby blue t-shirt, probably. So as you can see, she is wearing around her neck that scarf. It is a $32 value. It's very silky, very nice. It measures 25 by 25 inches and it is 100% rayon. Next, by Mellow Cosmetics. This is a liquid lip. It does say it's a gloss and it is in the color Tahiti and is a $16 value. So here we go. This is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Oh, now that's nice. That's definitely a nice shiny gloss with just a bit of color. That's my preference. I don't usually go out like that. Next, by Dr. Barbara Strum, is a hyaluronic serum. Now, when I tell you the price of this, y'all gonna need to sit down first because you might faint. $320. Now, I know this is a pricey brand. That's just crazy. That's just all levels crazy. This is made in Germany. It says it has short chain and long chain hyaluronic acid, and it works like an intensive moisturizing treatment. And it says it has an immediate effect. It says it gives skin instant freshness and it visibly reduces fine lines. It does have sodium hyaluronate in there, which means that it's going to take the cream that you put over top of it and pull that into your skin for more plumpness. So you definitely want to put something over this, a moisturizer, to pull that in. We don't have the matching moisturizer, so I'll just have to use some of my ghetto $80 moisturizer I've gotten from BoxyCharm or Ipsy, I guess, to go with my $320 serum. I don't know. Oh, the prices on these things. Next, we have some jewelry. It comes with its own little pouch. Now, you could have gotten the hoops or the chain. The hoops retail for $108, and it's not real gold. And the chain earrings retail for $86. And I did think both were lovely, but I wasn't sure how heavy those chain earrings would be. So I did go with the hoops. Do like those. Very pretty, very simple. The next item is a handbag. You could have gotten it in either cognac, which is a brown, or black. It's an $80 value. Here is how it looks, and it should have a chain in here to wear it as a crossbody. Yes, so here's the chain. So this could be worn as a crossbody, which I like. It also has a little handle if you wanted to just carry it around, but my preference would probably be as a crossbody. And I really liked this because I thought it was something perfect for if I just want to take out my phone and a wallet and go and not have a lot of excess room in my purse to be carrying stuff around, which then tends to just collect clutter. And you could also take this and tie it around to give it just a little bit of, you know, a bit of pizzazz if you wanted to, because it is a nice size for that. Or again, it's a nice size for wearing around your neck. For me, if it's too tight up here, I don't like it. I feel constricted. So, but whatever you like. Okay. That is my Curateur box. Let me know your thoughts. I am almost out of my Charlotte Tilbury serum that I got from Influencer, so I am going to crack open that Barbara Strum one and let you guys know what I think. Otherwise, why not join me again another night? Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you haven't already, and hopefully I'll see you soon.